You can easily create a chart in Excel by starting by selecting your table, click Insert. Under Chart Options, select Recommended Charts. Hit on it. Next, click All Charts and choose what style of chart suits you the most. Once you found the one which you want, click on it and then click OK. The charts will be visible. You can click and move your chart wherever you want, and you can resize it accordingly. You want to add a chart trend line, click to select your chart, click on Add Chart Element, and select Trend Line. Choose the style which suits you the most, and click on it to be added to your chart. If you cannot find the one which you like, click on More Trend Line options and select which one would you like. Once done, click on the little X to close